Hello and welcome to the Beautiful Things channel. I thought I would pop on today and just introduce myself and tell you a little bit about the channel and what you can expect to find here. So my name is Claire. I go by the name of Arty Farty Mac on Instagram, and I own the Beautiful Things studio in the lovely village of Ingrave, right outside Brentwood here in Essex in the United Kingdom. That's a bit of a mouthful, isn't it? Never mind. So we're based in Brentwood in Essex. It's a really nice place. We have a beautiful facility here, which is a converted stable on a farm. Now we are very, very close to the main town centre, so don't worry, we're nice and easy to get to if you do want to come and take an in-person class with me. I teach all sorts of different things, from sewing to dressmaking, crochet, various different crafts, and I've got lots of amazing external tutors who come in and work for me to teach things such as knitting, pattern drafting, silversmithing, and all sorts of specialist subjects. But as well as teaching here in my studio, I love nothing more than to work with you, my online audience. So there are people all over the world who've been following the Beautiful Things channel for about 3.5 years now. And as such, we have grown hugely. I've got followers who are in America, Australia, different parts of the world. I've even got a lovely lady who's on her way over next year to a class with me who lives in Cape Town in South Africa. How amazing is that? So if I want to reach you guys out there in other parts of the world, I'm aware that I need to do a lot more online things. And so I've recently launched online courses and an online sewing club, so you can join in with me wherever you live in the world. That being said, if you don't want to take classes at all and you just want to enjoy some crafty goodness, then this YouTube space is the place for you. Every week I upload content 3 times a week, and I normally include things like tutorials, my crafty shopping days. I'll take you out to shows and events, show you around fabric shops, take you on all sorts of adventures and journeys, and sometimes I'll even share things about my own life as a busy mum, as well as being a crafty entrepreneur. So you never really know what you're going to find here. It is a fun place. Best thing of all though is every Friday morning you will find BTHQ Banter, which is our behind the scenes video of here at the Beautiful Things studio. You get to meet the characters that come in here on a weekly basis, you get to meet my tutors, you get to join us with our classes, join us when we do knit and natter, craft clubs, have parties and do all sorts of fun activities. So if you want to experience a little bit more of what Beautiful Things has to offer and you can't get to me here in the studio, then this YouTube channel is for you. If you can get to me in the studio, brilliant. I'll make sure there's a link in the About Me section so you can go and find our website and you can see what classes we have to offer, both online and in person. I look forward to getting to know you a little bit better. Thank you for watching.